Trying to be patient.
Now my patience, baby.
Yeah. It's hard not to kill niggas. It's even harder to be fake when you come up getting coached by them real niggas. Me, I can't phony kick it. I don't feel niggas, they some old house gangsters. And I'm a field nigga, I don't play well with others. Don't wanna build with ya, I ain't got time to talk. I can't chill with ya, a lot of these suspect tough guys flip witness, all on the stand. Point niggas out, straight bitches, let these pussies tell it. They the ones with the killing, everybody savages. You never ever seen a mission. Everybody flipping chickens, only birds you seen was pigeons. Stealing with your mama, them she bitch when you forget the dishes. You could never be a hustler, you like ambition, more like a customer with feminine mannerisms. Bitch ass boy, with your switch fast living. Used to be GD, now you 7-4 killing. What the fuck? These niggas killing me with this shit, man. This must be that 2010 level 12 shit, man. I ain't used to that. Fake ass niggas. I used to try to fit in, but I ain't like them niggas was. Never gave a fuck, still don't, so I ain't changed much. Average hood nigga look at me like I'm stuck up. Pretty thug nigga from the wood, don't get it fucked up. I don't need a cosign, don't name drop, just do us. Cause end of the day, I'm the only nigga I trust. I know that I will shoot for me and won't snitch if I'm picked up. Can't testify against myself when beef's on, won't bitch up. Cause niggas tend to talk a good game and then they switch up. Them people say extended term and motherfuckers give up. My last case I copped out, they had the video, bruh. Informant set me up, mark money all on camera. Couldn't even take them on a high speed, they had me jammed up. 10 white boys, lucky I ain't had a slammer. This one's for my real niggas, cats that stand up like Stack from the Black Gate. He got life, ain't said nothing.